What's up? Today, I'm going to show you a guide on how to fix controllers or gamepads that are not working, or if there are any other controller problems.
Before we start, quick tip, the easiest way to skip all the steps in this video and avoid future bugs or errors is to just use exit lag. If you get it through my link in the description, you'll get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stacks for a bigger deal. Alright, let's jump in.
As a first step, disconnect and reconnect your controller. Then, restart your computer. If that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Select your controller type from the list. Right-click on your controller and choose Disable Device. Click Yes. Then restart your computer. After restarting, go back and re-enable the device. If that still didn't work, right-click on your controller again and click Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the correct model from the list and click Next. Once it's done, click Close. Then restart your computer again. If you're still having issues, launch Steam. Click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Controller, then click on General Controller Settings. Here, enable all controller types that apply to your device, like PlayStation, Xbox, or generic controllers. Once you're done, close the settings. If your game isn't on Steam, click on Add a Game in the bottom left of Steam and select Add a non-Steam game. Now choose the game you want to play with a controller and click Add Selected Programs. After that, go to your Steam library and select the game you added. You should see a small controller icon next to the play button. If the icon is missing, your controller isn't being detected properly. Try unplugging and plugging it back in. Click on the controller icon. Make sure Steam input is enabled. Then, click on the Gamepad layout to configure your controls. After customizing your layout, click Apply Layout. Go back and you're ready to start playing with your controller. If it still doesn't work, consider using external tools like DS for Windows or X360 CE, depending on your controller type. They're easy to install and often fix compatibility issues. That's it. Enjoy your game.